baby. There's plenty of little babies. Here's the other one. Mr. Whitey, my daddy, huh? Oh, yeah. Sadly enough, he's like his father. Pretty mama. You're such a pretty mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mamma mia. Oh, that's you. Hey. Hello. Hi. Hi. Big ears. Got such big eyes. Yeah, they're pretty. You got big ears, big eyes, but you're still pretty. How could you not? You could be butt naked. You're still pretty. In a fur manner of speaking, I mean. I'm gonna go check out the other kitties, okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Back here now. Hello. Hey, Carmelita. Hello. Say hi. Oh, thank you. You're so cool. Come on, you don't want to be on camera? Huh? Okay. Matt. Matt Jr. Matty Jr. Show the camera your pretty eyes. Oh, yeah. Camera loves you, boy. Huh? Yes. Yes. Are you tired? You tired? You're tired. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Old. Mr. Old Boy. The OG. The OG. The OG. Oh, yes, show the camera your pretty eyes. Oh, yes, your pretty green eyes. Crowd get outside? Don't know? Ooh, don't suffocate everyone with your sneaky breath. Your sneaky breath.
Putting paintings on cave walls was a laborious process, and you would only put down the most important things of your daily life. And here these objects appear, not once, not twice, but fairly numerous times on the cave walls.
Midnight.
The advance of civilization brought us out of caves and into cities. Some 4,000 years ago, scribes recorded what sounds like the sighting of UFOs during the reign of a pharaoh named Thutmose III.
In the year 22 of the third month of the winter, a circle of fire appeared in the sky. After some days, it became more numerous and shone with the brightness of the sun, extending to the very limits of the heavens. Royal Records of Thutmose III, 1480 BC.
Oh, I pipe storm.
A millennium later, young Alexander the Great conquered his way across the known world.
Carmelita.